create an upgrade from Windows 10 Pro to Windows 11, assuming you have a system that doesn't currently meet the requirements, giving you some kind of errors saying your system is not supported or doesn't currently meet Windows 11 requirements. Don't worry, we're going to solve this issue in simple and quick steps right now. So just head over to your browser and type Windows 11 download, hit enter, go to the first option by Microsoft, click it, and then just come straight down here. This is a very simple step, and click select download. Okay, then it will show you Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for 64 devices. Click it and say download now. It's going to provide you an option to choose a product language, and then choose English United States, say confirm, and this is going to provide you a link with which you can download your Windows 11. Then go straight to 64-bit download and click it. Alright, you should see that your download has started, but I'm not going to wait for this download to finish because I already have this file on my desktop for the sake of this tutorial. So I close the browser, say yes. Look at the file here. You should have this not on your own desktop, you should have it on your download folder when you open your Explorer. So cut it from that download folder and paste it on the desktop folder, and you should have it here. So I right click here, and we should click this mount, and once you click it, you should come to your Explorer and check this PC. You should see that this is mounted on the DVD drive. Okay, and when you open this DVD drive, you should double click on this DVD drive, and then you have these files: boot, EFI sources, support. Okay, and then click on support. Click on the DVD. Okay, and you have these files here. So we have a folder called sources. Then we double click on the sources. We're looking for a file called setupprep.exe. Okay, so we come down here, you see setupprep.exe, not setup error, not setup.exe, no, setupprep.exe, but all of them are in this sources folder. So we come here and click, it highlights this, then we copy this by the key combination Control C. Okay, and then we have the address. This is the address where you have the setupprep.exe. Now that we have the address of the sources folder that contains the setup prep, we come over here on our start menu. This is Windows 11, mind you. Yours should be somewhere here. Your own start menu should be somewhere here. Okay, but I'm using Windows 11 just for the sake of this tutorial, but whatever, if you follow this tutorial, is going to work for your PC. So we come over here and type cmd. The command prompt will run it. Then the name of the drive where our ISO file is mounted is E. Okay, so you just type E and press semicolon and hit enter. You see it goes to the drive which is E. Then you can say CD, right, space Control V. That is the address that you copied where the setupprep.exe lives. Then you hit enter. You see it has gone to the sources folder, and now we can access the setup prep. So here we can type setup prep dot exe space / product space server. Okay, and then we hit enter and wait to see what our system says. Do you want to allow this app? Yes. So wait. It shows you Windows preparation. So here you have install Windows Server. Don't worry, this is Windows 11 you're going to install. So you click next, saying getting updates. So you see it shows applicable notice and license terms. So you should just click accepts. It says choose what to keep. Just say keep files, settings and apps. Okay, and then click next. Say making sure you're ready to install. I may have to discontinue this. Okay, so I don't, you know, install Windows 11 on Windows 11. That doesn't make sense, right? But you should follow whatever you have here.